Anna. What a beautiful day in clouds. I'm gliding. This is the best day ever. Wow. Well, I'm gonna go to the local monkey market because I need some goods. This I love it. You know what? I need to go home from the local monkey market. Beautiful day in Bikini Bottom. Beautiful day in Bikini Bottom. Beautiful day in Bikini Bottom. I believe you. I believe you. Yeah. Yay. I totally believe that you are not a hunter and a glider monkey. I believe it. Oh! Me hurt. Me hurt. I need help. I need help. Oh, this is cloud. It's not hard to fall on. I need to glide. Because gliding is my thing that I do every single day. I know your little secret. I know you're trying to make me go extinct. Come, Maria! Maria! What? Hold on. I know your nasty little secret. I know your nasty little secret. You don't hunter. Both those correct. I believe you now. Let's go glide together. Wow. Let's go up. Since you speak monkey, I don't think you hunter anymore. Are you just booked? I just booked. Let's go to the top of monkey market. You said the word. You said totally. That means you are hunting. Even though you speak monkey, that doesn't stop you from hunting. Did you just say I have no guilt? Full time out engaged! I will chase you on my glider. What? I don't care, I'm a glider monkey, I can do whatever I want. Full power mode engaged! But then we become best friends. So what do you want to glide? I've heard of this new destination called Monkey's Grove. I want to go glide there. Yes. Let's go to the monkey store. Because I like going to the monkey store. But I need to get a glider first. I cannot go anywhere. I cannot go out anywhere without a glider. That's why I live in Clouds Map. Hey, I'm going. Oh, oh. I'm falling! I'm coming! Aha! I caught you in 4K! I know your secret! You are... What are you doing? I thought the clouds were above me. I need to get my friend. I'm going back up there. I'm the glider monkey, and I've seen what you have done. I have seen what you have done. I am coming for you. You are not my best friend anymore. What? That's my glider. I want a divorce. I want a divorce for best friends. Oh, what is he trying to do to you? Great, but you make me suspicious of you. What are you doing? Oh, you sound like a monster for a minute. Sound like that one dragon from Harry Potter. No, you are not. You are not. You are not. Cyan! Cyan people are glider monkeys. Let me see your color again. You are purple. Purple equal no spider monkey. No glider monkey. Bro, what do? Oh. You're making me even more suspicious now. Your color isn't the same as a normal glider monkey. You're making me even more sus. Oh, but you still make me suspicious. This is the end of our friendship. Oh no, he broke my ankle. Tommy! Tommy! No! Let's die! You are not a glider monkey, you just admitted that you aren't even a glider monkey. The final battle. Da, 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 da. You are not my friend anymore. Because you are not a glider monkey. I'm your friend now. Or, do you want to go to my house? Also, what are my bananas? What are my bananas? Why are my bananas? Help me! The clothes are not pop. Yeah. What are my bananas? Give me my bananas now, or else I won't spare you. That was $5. Wait, $5. It's supposed to be $6. I'm doing a video. Oh no, my friend. I need to fix you. You are my bandage. You are my monkey bandage, my banana bandage, my Paw Patrol bandage. I make sure you feel better. What have I done? I think I'm going crazy. I think I'm going crazy. I do not realize what I've done sometimes. Hold on. Oh, for a minute I thought the little ugly bunny was gonna eat me. But for a minute I thought that little ugly bunny was gonna eat me. I love you. I'm not kissing your baby. Because it'd be kind of weird. What do you want to go to my house? I'm so kind of suspicious though. Did you just bet your monkey bones? Let's go to my place. Actually no, I'm glider monkey. I love gliding. Let's not go to our place. It's what time? Okay. I am very suspicious. Hey, my fellow monkey. Are you sure that you are a glider monkey? Oh. Okay. I am still kind of suspicious though. Yes. I need to just put some ink, some paint so to give my color. Also, are you a girl or boy? Great. If you're a girl, then I would not. Are you a murderer? Oh, you're good then. I don't know. Also, by the way, did you do the blue thing for the video? That thing we have to check mark it for your audio. Okay. What? We should go to the basement. It's my house. Actually, no. It's in clouds. But where should we go? I've heard of this new place called the Monkey Rooms. But we'll go there later. Oh no! Let's not go there. I've heard of this new infection called the Monkey Room infection. I'm hot. Oh. Oh, okay. I love beach. My second favorite is clouds. No, my first favorite is clouds because it has gliders. And I'm a glider monkey, so that's one of my houses. Yes, this is the end. Well, there's one episode every single week. By the way, guys. So, bye.